Hi, I'm Dr. Hilary Jericho. I'm the Medical Director of the Celiac Disease Program at Stanford.
Hi, I'm Layla Jericho. I'm Dr. Jericho's daughter.
Hi, my name's Christina. I'm the dietitian, and I'm here to teach you how to keep your kitchen safe from gluten for those with celiac disease. So Layla, what do you know about celiac disease?
I know that people who have it are not able to safely consume wheat, rye, and barley in their meals.
Perfect. Let's go through the steps to ensure that your kitchen is safe from cross-contact of wheat, barley, and rye. First, let's start with sinks and surfaces. If you notice that your countertops have crumbs on them, just making sure they're free from all crumbs. And if you notice that your sponge is getting a little bit old, maybe has some crumbs on it, we can always swap it out for a new one. Perfect. Let's swap that out. And when handling gluten-containing and gluten-free food, always make sure your hands are clean.
Oh, perfect! I have this really good hand sanitizer I love to use.
Oh, good idea, but actually, hand sanitizer does actually not get your hands free from gluten, so you need to make sure you're washing your hands with soap and water.
Huh, didn't know that.
Yeah, so when you go and wash your hands, make sure you are getting an adequate amount of soap and washing your hands between your fingers and counting to your ABCs. Now that we've gone through the sink, let's go into appliances and cooking utensils. When you're using utensils, whether they're spatulas, cutting boards, whether they're silicone, plastic, or wood, all are perfectly safe to have, again, as long as you're using soap and water to clean them.
Okay, what about my pots and pans?
Pots and pans also are completely fine, again, as long as you're using soap and water to clean them. I noticed that you also have a toaster oven.
Yeah, that's okay to use plain, right?
Actually, we're gonna need some sort of barrier.
Like this?
Oh, perfect, yeah. So using aluminum foil to have a barrier between the food and what you're cooking on is a great way to ensure that there's no cross contact. And now we can go over the condiments. Things in jars like mayonnaise, mustard, and all of those types of things. Typically what we're doing is double dipping, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we'll scoop some, spread it on the bread, and then scoop again. And sometimes you can get crumbs in there.
So what you're saying is I shouldn't double dip into things that might contain gluten?
Exactly. And what we can do is we can either do no double dipping, or we can have a separate condiment jar for those who need to be gluten-free. I also noticed you have a big thing of soy sauce here.
Is it gluten-free?
Unfortunately, it has gluten in it. So those who need to be gluten-free should stay away from soy sauce.
Okay.
But they do have a gluten-free soy sauce. So if you can find that at the store, that's a great option as well. And that's everything you need to know about the kitchen and keeping it safe from cross-contact.
Oh, Christina, can I ask you a question?
Of course, what's your question?
So we have a pantry as well. Are there things about the pantry I should know?
Oh, that's a great question. Come on, let's go to the pantry and go through it.
Oh, wonderful, thanks.
So it could be a good idea to keep a section of your pantry of just gluten-free items, so your kid can go and grab anything they want and not be worried if it has gluten in it.
Excellent. And are there some things in here that are naturally gluten-free?
Yeah, so things like apple cider vinegar, gluten-free, canned beans are also gluten-free, and other things like broths should be gluten-free as well.
Wonderful. That was so helpful. Thank you.
Of course.